This is ZBO Hypershift, and when used correctly, it shifts from black to orange. Now, when we got this pearl, we were given very specific instructions. 12.5 grams per gallon, 2 coats. That's how you get the effect. Any more than that, and it could go haywire. So today, we're going haywire. Let me show you ZBO in its powder form. It is so dark and so deep, but you do get that orange or amber flare there. It's pretty wild, and it's looked awesome. Oh, see, look, a little bit more of this. You can see a little bit more of the orange there when it's a lighter load. 12.5 grams per gallon, 2 coats. We're just gonna double everything. 25 grams per gallon, 4 coats. So that should put, whatever the math is, 4 times as much pigment down on the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds about right. So there's 25 grams and another 25. We're gonna cut this with another gallon of top coat as usual. We've got 2 potential outcomes here. We can either get an incredibly intense black to orange shift, or it could go into a completely different color spectrum. Your prediction?
Well, just like with ZBR, if you go too heavy, the blacks start to turn a bit purple. So I wonder if that's gonna happen here.
Well, let's see. As we mix, I'm not really seeing anything too crazy. It just, well, it looks a little redder than usual.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a little bit of a sneak peek on the old stick of truth here. This is a lot of pigment, holy crap. Okay, let's see what we see. It's still dark, dude. It's still dark. It's not quite black to orange like it was. Man, I'm excited. So we've got the M3 here, it's got a black base on it. We're just gonna start stacking the pearl, see what we get. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with the project. And the coolest thing that we are now learning is that these different black to color hypershifts seem to all react differently to being overloaded. Some of them change their colors and hues completely, while others just intensify. You'll know what I mean here in just a second. We're gonna bring the car outside and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below and rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. And if you wanna change the color of your own wheels, emblems, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I loved this project. I hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.